Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Park the Ford F150 on level ground, turn off the ignition, and leave wipers in the parked position before you begin. Open the hood to access the base if needed and inspect the wiper connectors closely. Many F150s use a J-hook or pinch tab style. Measure blade lengths with a tape measure. Common lengths are 22 inches for the driver, 22 inches for the passenger, and 14 inches for the rear hatch, but always verify the owner's manual or parts guide before purchase. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks or stands roughly perpendicular. If working on the rear hatch, open the hatch for better access. Locate the connector and press the pinch tab or pull the small release lever while sliding the blade down the J-hook to remove it. Keep one hand on the arm to prevent it from snapping back to the glass. A sudden snap can crack the windshield. Place the old blades aside for recycling or disposal when all blades are removed. Take the replacement blade and align its connector with the wiper arm. For a J-hook, slide the hook into the adapter slot until you hear a firm click and the locking tab engages. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield, never drop it. Start the truck and cycle the wipers with washer fluid to test for streaks, chatter, or mist areas. Inspect rubber contact along the whole sweep. If you see issues, reseat the blade or replace the other side. Top off washer fluid and dispose of.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.